important to critically evaluate the responses and use your own judgment to determine their usefulness. Step 5. Iterating and refining. Finally, it's important to iterate and refine your prompts and questions when using ChatGPT. The more you use the model, the better you will become at formulating effective prompts and evaluating responses. By refining your approach, you can get the most out of ChatGPT and generate more accurate and relevant responses. And that's it for this tutorial on how to use ChatGPT. With these tips and techniques, you should be able to get the most out of this powerful language model. So go ahead and give it a try and see what insights and information you can generate.